Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add emojis to Discord in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open a page emoji.gg. Here you will find different types of free emojis. You can select any of them. I'm selecting this. Here you can see the option of download emoji. Press on this. Now go to your Discord. Now open your server. Now click on server settings. Here you'll find emoji. Press on it. Now you can see here upload emoji. Click on it. Now go to your download option and here you can see your emoji. Select it and upload it. Here you can see the emoji. Now go to your message option. Click on emoji. Here you'll find the uploaded emoji. So this is how you can add emoji to Discord in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.